Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to be looking at these guys. These are some new Bluetooth 5.0 earphones from Blitzwolf. These are the BW-FYE1s. Likely that stands for Blitzwolf Fully Wireless Earbuds 1. These are Bluetooth 5.0 true wireless earbuds that come with 10mm titanium drivers and a 700 milliamp hour charging case that can charge the earbuds 4 times. Maybe it stands for best way for your ears 1. Playtime, 3 hours per earbud. Wow. So what's on the right? This very light box. This probably has tips in it. Cable. Nice cable, although it's micro USB. I like it's got a flat profile and it's short. It is 1 foot long exactly. Also comes with 2 additional sets of ear tips. Now let's look at the actual earbuds. Wow, this is a very nice looking case. Micro USB unfortunately, and I see some charging LED. True wireless earbuds. Ooh, these look pretty cool. Fairly lightweight. I can hear them say they're pairing. There is an LED indicator light, a microphone, and a multifunction button on the outside of each earbud. On the inside of the earbud, you can see 4 exposed charging contacts. Let's see how easily they go into the case. Oh, very easy. Ah, and there's red LED lights here showing that each one is sitting in the charging case correctly and charging. That's cool. So there's 2 LEDs there and 4 LEDs here. Nice. Oh, that is very clever design. So those are not extra LEDs on the case. Those are just these LEDs on the actual earbuds coming through those holes right there. Oh, that is pretty good design. Let's take this plastic off. This case, the size is pretty good. It's kind of like probably a small action cam. That's probably what it looks like in terms of size. The thickness of the case happens to be exactly the same as the thickness of 2 AA batteries. The exact measurements of the case are it's 30 millimeters thick, 61.5 millimeters length, and 43.5 millimeters width. Here's how the case looks compared to some other true wireless earbuds cases. And here is how the earbuds look compared to other earbuds. So it's a pretty good size. All right, now it's time to try them on. Ooh. They go in right away. Oh, very nice. These things are snug and very comfortable. I would easily forget that I have these in my ears. How do they look? They look a lot better than AirPods, I'll tell you that. Okay, Will they stay in my ear? Head rush. Oh, yeah. No issue there, except in my head. Okay, yeah. So these are awesome. They stay in your ear nicely. These are just with the default tips too. Okay, now the big test. How do they sound? Let's listen to Feifei, Nicki, featuring Nicki Minaj and Murda Beats. Sounds good. Love that song. Oh, these sound wicked. Immediately you can tell. Yeah! Thanks for watching my unboxing on the BW-FYE1s. Subscribe to the channel as I will be posting a detailed review of these guys next. Maybe it stands for better wait for Yeezy, everyone?